Hi Per and hi Jesse. My name is Julius Garcia and I am a light jockey here at Kellerdirk, or I'm a light jockey for Per Vincent, who have bought these LED moving heads. What you can see here is I've preset the moving head to have a DMX address 1, and over here in my light jockey program I have also set it to have channel 1, and the channels range from 1 to 14. The reason why they are doing that is because I've been in here in your brochure and look at the DMX values for the advanced presets. Of course I have looked at the DMX values on the moving head, so it's set to advanced and not the basic opportunities. My problem with this moving head is, from day one when I opened it, is that first of all I can use the pan and tilt. The pan is the X that I'm touching now, and the moving head is doing absolutely nothing. And the tilt, that is Y, that I'm touching now, dragging up and down, there's absolutely nothing happening. I've also tried to switch on the light and open up for the brightness, but yet again you can see there's absolutely nothing happening on the moving head. This moving head has given me some troubles from day one after I packed it out. I know Per Vincent got 10 moving heads similar to this, but this is the only one that has given me some difficulties. I hope that with this video you can send us a reply with what we should do with this moving head, either some function I should touch on in the control board, or if we need to send this for a fixing. Anyway, I hope this video can give us any response.